hi, this is like my first vid and I'm sorry that it's a cappella because the backing track isn't working and it's probably going to be crap because I'm shy. But here goes. Heard by Christian Actor. Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I knew today. Oh, oh, I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna hold you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broke inside, but I won't. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you. It's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh, yeah. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more chance, I would tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, oh.